Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up gift cards on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you first need to head over to the product section of our Shopify. Then under there, you should be able to see this gift card. So click on gift cards right here. And then from in here, click on create gift card. So from in there, you should be able to put in here a gift card code. So for me, I'll put in new user 10. And then the initial value is 10 right here, or you can also just put in 100 if you want. So in here, you can put in an expiration date, or you can set it, or you can not set it depending on you. So for me, I'll put in a expiration date, and I'll just put in here when it will expire. So you can open this calendar icon right here to change this. So for me, I'll let it expire at around 2029 of July 30. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So click on save right here. So once you have saved that, you can see that this is what it looks like. So you can click on this right here to copy the code. Once you have copied the code, you can head over to Canva, search in here for gift card. And then once you have searched in here for gift card, you can see some gift card templates that you can use to enter your code right here. So just choose one that is actually befitting for you. So for me, I'll just choose a gift card, which is this one. So let me just click on this. And once I click on that, just click on customize those templates. And then in here, it will actually open this specific thing. And on this thing, we should be able to put in here a few more elements in order to add. So for me, I'll just put in here the code. So let me click on text. We click on this one. And let me just paste what I copied. So this is our gift card code. So let me just make this bigger. And as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. So you can edit it out whatever you want. But for me, this is good. So click on share right here. From there, click on download. And then you can see here the PNG. Click on download right here. And as you can see, it will download this specific gift card to your local folder. Now, let's head back again to our Shopify. Then let's head back to our online store. Now, on our online store right here, you should be able to see the online store. Click on customize right here. And in here, you should be able to see all of the elements. So the gift card can be sent to people that you would want to have them, or can also use this as a promotional thing for your website. So if you want to use this as a promotional thing for your website, then what you can do is you can head over to your image banner. So there's my image banner right here. So I can just head on over and select the image. So let me just select my image right here. And then I can upload images. So click on add image. And let me just look at this. Click on open. And as you can see, it will upload my gift card that I had created earlier. So as you can see, it's been uploaded. So click on done. And in here, it will change this. So this is what it looks like right now. But you can see that we still have this browse the latest products. So we need to delete that as well as this right here in order to remove it. So let's remove this right here and delete on this. And now, as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. We have the gift card purchase if you want to use it as a promotional product. So click on save and everything's good. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.